I can smell
Cheers,
it.
mate.
Ready?
Cheers.
Let's go.
Here we go, baby.
Oh, that's so funny.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, Boots. What's going on? What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be epic. We have bought a fish trap off of Amazon, and we also are going to build a fish trap out of our own stuff today in this video. And whatever one catches more fish in the end will be the winner. That quick little intro there was membership videos. If you're like, what the heck, Paul? What are those? Well, those, my friends, are videos we will be doing 8 times minimum per month. Every single month, 8 videos or more will go live on members only. You gotta be a member to watch these videos, although the main channel videos will not change one single bit. They'll just continue to do exactly what they have been doing for the last 5 years. YouTube has given us creators the ability to do this, to make exclusive content for the real hardcore supporters out there, Cuffaros. So I decided to do it. Members only videos are now live. If you wanna just look down there, down below, there's a join button, click join. We have a membership that is $4.99 a month. That one right there will just essentially give you badges in the comment section and help feed all the animals here, including all the fish tanks, and do projects like this right here. Every single dollar we pumped right back into the PC farm, and then the $14.99 package that has all that, every bit of the perks the first one does, and the videos and FaceTime calls and a chance to actually come to the PC farm yourself and make a video with me, hang out with me for the day. That one is also down below, so there's 2 different ones. The advanced members is crazy though. I just wanted to let you guys know about those membership perks. If you want to join, become a PC member, now's your chance. Links down below. I'm excited to see the crazy stuff. We've already posted like 6 or 7 videos. Love you, Cuffaros. And now, without further ado, we got to go to Home Depot so we can start building this fish trap to hopefully beat the one I bought on Amazon. This is going to be a crazy video. $38. We have a 3-foot by 25-foot roll of this plastic fake metal fence. Don't know what it is, but it's good and it's easy to cut. So this time we're using this. First time we've ever used anything like this. It's an interesting material, but it's gonna work. And now the second thing we need, and the only other thing we need, because everything else is at home, we're gonna need wood, nails, all that stuff. Zip ties, 100 pack, and I've never seen any zip ties like this, but they have a built-in razor to where like once the excess, you just, and it cuts it. Never seen anything like that in my life. Interesting. All right, got these. Let me tell you, fellas, we're about to catch a megalodon in this fish trap, or great white shark, massive eagle ray, something crazy. Wait, aren't we doing this in freshwater?
Yeah.
We are. Alligator.
Every 30 inches, we'll have 4 of them.
We're back home from Home Depot and we're here to build a fish trap. This is a legit 1v1 fish trap video. We're gonna do this homemade fish trap right here that we're about to build versus the other fish trap that we had purchased. The other one is a lot better looking. Doesn't mean necessarily that it'll catch more fish though, so that's what we're here to challenge today. I'm excited. This trap requires 4 different things: wood, fencing, zip ties, and some screws and nails. Oh, and then a bucket, and yeah, that's about it. So 5 things. Yes, we're using leftover wood from the barn. Okay, we're on a budget here. That right there is construction Paul at its finest. About all I know how to do, so don't get ahead of yourself, all right? All right, next step, we have our other piece of wood. We have our 4 pieces of how long we want the trap. Now we gotta go how wide we want the trap. And we're gonna probably do, let's see.
22?
18.
Okay.
18. Not too wide, a little smaller. Let's go 20. 20 inches wide.
Sorry.
I was acting like a screw. Next step to building your homemade fish trap, put the legs on.
Come on, man.
David's putting a lot of effort into this, and I'm just ruining his, For real though, next step, we put these right here. As you can see, we left this little pot so we can put a screw right through. Build the legs, and we put the other one right on top. And we make the square where the fish can actually then be stuck into. Hopefully be stuck into. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that the homemade fish trap, the one we put all this effort into, is in the end the winner. You have yet to see the one we actually bought online yet, but what do you think? You think my homemade fish trap is gonna beat the one we bought online? Let me know.
Yeah, I put my money on the Amazon one because I built this one, so.
Yeah, this thing looks like shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, God. Oh gosh! I'm just kidding. Now we grab the top. Yay! Let's see what Brenton has to think about my homemade fish trap. Hello, baby Gil.
Oh, baby Gil.
Let me show you something.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. We're working with something. This is a level up ball.
We're snapping, dude. We're snapping. This is a whole nother level of fish trap.
I'm definitely liking it.
You know what I'm going to catch in it? A long-nosed carpet croaker.
Long-nosed carpet croaker, just the species I would like for you to target in that.
See what I'm saying?
That wire will hold up good against long-nosed carpet croaker.
Heck yeah. Well, hey, one sec. Your mama's calling me. I'm sorry, Brenton. The trap is fully done other than the spot where the fish need to go into. So all of the trap, as you can see, is a nice enclosed cage. This is where we're gonna put the little buckets where the fish go in and can't get out. And this thing is done. What a process. I've been building this trap for at least like an hour and a half. Oh! Yes. That thing is fire. Last step. After a long 2 hours, Cuffaro, we have finally completed the fish trap. And I like to call this one Bertha. Welcome Bertha to the family. She is gonna be catching fish for us for the next couple of fish trap videos. I definitely wanna use her more than just today. I hope she beats our Amazon trap, I'll tell you that. Anyway, this thing is fully sealed. We spent a lot of time zip tying every single little spot. When I mean every single little spot, take a look at that. I mean, she is just pristine. No place for a fish to get out. You know what I'm saying? Come here, look at the coon. He's like, I don't even care that you're right next to me. That's our big old coon. One of my favorite pigs on the farm. Just recently got her actually, and just became one of my favorites. Same with this black hog right here. Right, buddy? He just wants to be pet 24/7. He's literally laying on the coon. He's laying on the coon. The coon's like, what the heck, dude? Like, can you give me some space? That's funny. Those two pigs are the best. Inside the fish building, lots going on. This is complete, fully complete, Cuffaros. I know, it looks amazing. It is actually drying. It's got 24 hours to dry, then we have to clean it. Scrub, clean, get all the fiberglass dust and everything out, and then we fill it up, and it's good to go. My filtration is on the way. I know I've been saying that for a little bit, but it's in the works. It comes from like literally the other side of the world, and we all know how shipping is nowadays with the whole like, yeah. Take a look at our cichlids. You can see all the baby cichlids we just got, along with all the big ones that hide when I turn the light on, but they're all back here. You can see their heads popping out of the rocks right there. Of course, our fly river, right up against the clear pond. Hey buddy, what's going on? Look at all the cichlids. Such a cool pond. 500 gallon looks good. Obviously 5,500 we just said. Done. This is the trap though. We came in the fish building to get the trap. I have had this in the fish building for probably 3 months waiting to make this video. I saw this on Amazon. I couldn't resist but to buy it. It's one interesting trap. It's not like the average trap, I'll tell you that. Check this out. You put one side on the bank of a creek, you put the other side on the bank of the creek, the fish get stuck. They can't go anywhere but into this, which leads them right into the back of the fish trap. So this is the fish trap that we got on Amazon versus Bertha. Comment down below which one you think is gonna win. Let's head to the canal. See you at the canal, all right? All right, fellas, we're looking for tilapia suckers to get into this trap. This is my bait of choice, tilapia. Just throw the whole fillet in there. They're gonna smell it, they're gonna wanna get to it. They'll find out how to get to it. All right, we got our fish trap, fellas. We're gonna head down to the water. This is my favorite little creek by the house. Why did I walk in down over here to walk all the way back over there? Great question, I don't know. But I'm walking now. The other trap in the back of the truck is gonna go in the other side of the tunnel. Ooh, don't fall. Don't fall. Ooh. Here is the other side. Our other fish trap's all the way down there. This is where this one's going. Peace. Oh! Smash the like button, huh? Crush my finger between a rock. Look at that. So we got this whole entire thing pretty much covered. The only way for a fish to get in is through there. And then obviously the other side still has access out. The other trap doesn't cover the whole thing like this one does. So if a fish is in there, it still can get out, don't worry. But our fish trap hopefully catches whatever's inside. Keep in mind, all the fish in this canal are very small. There's really not many big fish at all. The biggest they get in here is typically like a gar, and that's like a foot long. So I'm looking forward to see what we catch. Could be absolutely nothing. I probably wouldn't post this video if I caught nothing though, so. Look at that trap right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stepped on a whole pile of stickers. All right, we're back. It's the morning. I don't see the trap. Oh my God, it's at the other side. Both of them. Very simple to check. You just pick it up, and if we have anything, it's gonna be at the very back of this pocket. Absolute not jack. The first trap from Amazon sucked. That was a giant waste of money. Now, but the homemade trap, I still see the full piece of tilapia inside. Isn't this a dope trap?
It is. You made that thing, man?
Yeah, man. Oh, we got him! Oh. We got two! We got two in here. All right, fellas, look at that. See, you don't need to go on Amazon. Just spend 3 times what you spend on Amazon and you can catch fish. Check this out. We caught 2 tilapia. Nothing crazy.
A lot of things probably went through the holes, too.
Yeah, I should have got smaller mesh. My friend Nick here, the professional fish trapper, he was with me for this journey.
I'm pretty impressed.
Oh, look, his head fits through. Wait. Let me get out of here. This trap is very heavy. His head's stuck. See? Oh, I bet you we have more fish. They just got out. Little blue tilapia. Ready? Woo! Now there's a bunch of small blue tilapia in this canal. We caught one of them. There's another one right here. Look. Whoop! There he is. Little blue tilapia. These are babies. They could just barely not get out of this. Otherwise, they probably would be gone.
Looks like a damn piece of mud in your hand from there.
Does it? Let me rinse it off. Look, their tails, they were like eating at each other in the fish trap. Their tails are all beat up. That is awesome. Overnight fish trap 1.0 has been a success on my custom trap. Bertha took the W. What do you think of the fish traps, man?
I'm not gonna lie, I did not think this guy could put that together.
It's impressive. All right, well, Cuffaro's, it was a success. I'm proud of it. We beat the Amazon trap, that's all that matters. Shout out to Bertha in the comments, hashtag Bertha wins. Seriously though, if you wanna see this fish trap go somewhere else, let me know. Saltwater, should we do that next? At 20,000 likes, I'll take this trap out and we'll do something saltwater with it. We can catch some crazy stuff in saltwater. Snapper, eels, who knows? Let me know, smash the like button, and thank you so much for watching. Nick could probably fit in this trap, honestly. Look, you know, Nick, you could squish in there.
Let's see.
He's
Yeah,
small.
If I wanted to, I could make
How
it
tall are
work.
you, 4'11"?
You know, I'd give it me a little more than that.
All right,
yeah.
let's say 5'3". Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see exclusive content, you saw the little intro at the beginning of the video. Members only videos are now a thing. A bunch of perks. I mean, there's a whole lot of perks. I'm doing live streams so we could all chat together. I'm gonna be flying one of you out every single year to come to the PC farm, spend a full day, make a video with me on the channel. That's another perk. 8 videos minimum per month. That's another perk. Check out the members, join, and yeah, you won't regret it, promise you. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, with that being said, nothing on the main channel is changing. I'm still posting the same exact amount. Same thing, you would never even notice a difference, but I am now doing members only videos, so, as well. Love you. Peace.